We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world, there's room for everyone. The good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful. But we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed.
चतुत्तविकलिच्चलप्रवाहपावितस्थले कलीवलम्बलम्बितं भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकः दमद्दमद्दमद्दमन्निनादवद्दमार्वयं चकारचन्दताण्डवं पुनः शिव शिवं चतुत्तविकलिच्चलप्रवाहपावितस्थले कलीवलम्बलम्बितं भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकः दमद्दमद्दमद्दमन्निनादवद्दमार्वयं चकारचन्दताण्डवं पुनः शिव शिव कथाः सम्भ्रमं ब्रह्मण्यं Jivallari virajamana mudari dagat 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 jvalalala tapata pavat Kishora Chandra Shekhar Ratis Pratikshana mama